Today's episode is Althea Andrea uses the staff vending machine / grounded. This video was inspired by Weatherstar 4000 video, Mr. MuppetFan, and Charlothian Teeter and Vortex Charlothian Teeter Fan 2003.
Yuck, I hate all the products served in the student's vending machine like this one. I love the products and it tasted gross. I wish I can real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute, idea, ding ding, I will find the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome, I found the staff vending machine in the teacher's lounge, and yay, it serves real soda, let's buy something. Yay, I just bought real soda. Oh heck no, I am busted, it's Principal Philippe.
Althea Andrea, I saw footage from the security camera that you used the staff vending machine. Did you?
Well, you will be really mad, but, yes, I did.
Althea Andrea, how dare you use the staff vending machine? That's it, you are now suspended for 6 weeks. Get out! Althea Andrea, I cannot believe you used the staff vending machine. You know those machines are restricted to your school teachers and administration only.
But Dad, the soda in the student vending machines tasted gross.
I don't care. You are grounded for 728 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Wow.